I've already gotten started. Just because I was like, I don't think I was going to film. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and film. Just excuse my hair right now. It's very, very messy because I just literally woke up maybe an hour or so ago. But y'all, it smells so good in my bathroom. Like, it smells so good. I have this candle wax, and I'm using the smell Autumn Night, and it smells so good. Autumn Night is like my absolute favorite smell. It's just so, it's like a classy, like warm smell that it has to it, and it's just, oh God, it smells. I wish I could smell it through the camera, but yeah, it smells so good. So right now I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. And like I said, I wasn't really gonna film, but I feel like yesterday I really wasn't feeling. I filmed yesterday, you guys. I'm still deciding on if I'm going to post that video or not. I just did not like how my makeup came out because it just was not me. I was just trying to like step outside my box and do something different, and I just still ended up like absolutely hating it. So today I'm doing my makeup right now though, because we are about to go to brunch. Yeah, we're about to go to brunch, and we're not going anywhere fancy. We're just going to Foco de Chao. But other than that, it's supposed to snow today in Texas, yes. So I don't see myself doing like a full-on like super beat to my face. Okay, I'm sorry y'all, I'm really trying to fix this brow because it's like tripping. I know that you guys probably cannot see like I can because it's like washing out, but yeah, it was like making me upset. But I guess I can go ahead and show you guys some of the goodies. So my video that I filmed basically just shows like all of the goodies that I have, and I did like a goodie reveal, but this was one of the goodies that I went ahead and showed you guys in my last video, and this is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I've already been dabbling in this. I used the Soda Pop color for my eyebrows today, and then I got the 3503 Fierce Morphe palette, and I'm about to use some colors out here. I think for my face, I'm gonna go ahead and add on Trance underneath my eyebrows just to kind of set the liquid concealer that I placed underneath. And I'm just gonna use one of my other brushes. If you guys haven't seen as well, that was one of my goodie reveals, is my spinning, my clear spinning brush container. So I'm just gonna find, I also got the Morphe brushes as well. Right now I need a press brush to go underneath the brow that's gonna press underneath really, really good. I feel like this one could do the trick. I just want to make sure that all the product is off. I'm just gonna, just like that. And I'm just gonna add some underneath there to set. Now usually I do go under my eye with a lighter concealer. But today, like I said, I'm not doing like a full-on beat, so I just wanted to do a color that was just gonna blend in with my natural skin tone to give me more of a natural look, more of a natural beat, if that makes any sense as well. Okay, and so as well, I don't wanna wear a lot of foundation today. I don't wanna pack on my foundation. I actually love the way my face is looking right now. It's looking very hydrated. I have absolutely nothing on my face right now. And I actually love how good my skin is looking today. And I don't really want to mess that out, but I don't want to like just show for that makeup on for brunch today. So I'm just going to add on, usually I'll do like the concealer in this, but I'm just going to use this, my regular foundation. And this is just the Bare Minerals, and I talk about the Bare Minerals all the time, and I just love the way it works. It's really thin, it's not thick at all, and I like really thin foundation. That works really good with me. So I'm just gonna grab this little brush and I'm just gonna kind of like lightly trace over my face. Usually I'll use my sponge or one of my sponges and I'll like press into my skin. But I'm trying a new method today because I have new brushes and I just wanna lightly.
Mom,
Okay. And this is not necessarily the right brush either. I think I have to really train this brush to get it to do what I want it to do, but it's okay. And as you guys can see, I haven't even done my forehead yet. So it's blending in really good. It's really light. Really very, very lightweight. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit more to put onto the forehead, just a little bit. Maybe just a little bit, because it's so thin, like it's so thin in this, just like. Like I need like a smaller brush to kind of sculpt. Brush is, these two brushes are from my other makeup, seeing that these are the ones that I said that I got from Christmas. I'm not a big fan of the actual brushes because it's really fibery, but like I said, I have to train them, roughen them up to do what I want them to do. So I am gonna go back with the sponge and kind of just get in some little blemishing spots that I could have missed with the brush, like in the creases. That's pretty much that. And then I do want to, let's see. The only thing to do right now is to basically figure out an eyeshadow that I'm gonna wear today. And I think I'm just gonna stick with something very natural. So I'm gonna grab my Morphe blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette just because it has more of the new natural colors that I really like. And I'm probably gonna be focusing in on the browns, on the nude browns that are at the top. I think I'm gonna go with the Silk Cream as my, well no, that's a little too dark for my lid. Pink. I'm gonna use Trans for the lid, and then I'm gonna go in with a Silk. I'm so sorry if it's noise. The kids are up, it's morning time, or I'm trying to get everybody situated before we go. And I'm just gonna go off of my mirror that's above you guys. Well, it's behind you guys. And I'm just gonna place that again here. And I'm not doing anything like special. Just wanna lighten the lid up just a little bit. And again, it's probably washed out right now, but you guys, like I'll be able to show you guys the final result a little closer at the end. Now I'm gonna brush some of that product up. I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use Silk Cream, and I'm gonna place that into my crease and kind of just blend it up and in. It looks orange, but it's not. It's a brown, like a beige brown. It's not too dark.
Mommy.
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy. I didn't think it was gonna come on this like translucent, so I'm gonna. Alright, so I have to lock the door now. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna actually use the color Pookie, and that one's more of a darker color, and I'm gonna apply that one to my lids. It's more of a darker brown, so fingers crossed, but. Okay, that's better. That's like way better. It's way better. You guys can't see it, but it's better. All right, so next I'm gonna go and I'm gonna actually contour my nose just a little bit, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna go with the Mocha in the Jaclyn Hill palette to kind of contour the nose a little bit down here and more. So when I contour my nose, I bring the brush like in through here, and then I kind of like just blend it down. This one, I'm gonna just put a little bit here so you guys see how brown that is, right? Okay. Okay, we don't want it to come out too strong, so what I do is I kind of just, it's giving me anxiety literally having to show you guys like this, I'm sorry. But I kind of just lightly touch. Like that. And then I'm just gonna like blend. Alright, so right now it's looking super brown and it's like super contoured, like that is okay. We're gonna blend in at the very end. So next I want to actually grab my lighter concealer, and I wanted my face to still feel really light today, so I'm just gonna put just a little bit, just a little bit. Very simple, very, very simple. And then I'm gonna grab, I have my sponge, and you see the difference? It really lightens under my eye, so you can give yourself a more awake look. Now I'm just going to blend. And we want to grab my homegirl, Blendy, and just let her do her thing. Next, I want to go back in with the Trans, and I'm just going to set all the concealer. I'm just gonna set that lighter concealer that I just added to my face. Grab my homegirl. Just giving very natural today. I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones just a little bit, not too much because we have this natural, beat going on right now. And I'm gonna take my contouring brush and I'm gonna use Mocha from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just a little. And I always do here because I've gained a few pounds and I have like a quadruple chin. It's really like all in the stroke of your brush, how you apply your makeup, like how your makeup comes out. So now we have this glowy look, and I'm just gonna add on a little lashes and then pretty much done. I'm not gonna do anything with my lips. I'm just gonna keep on the lip gloss, and then I'm gonna comb my hair, and then I'll be right back with you guys. That you guys, that was like our first snowfall of like, I know it's a new year, but like I don't think it snowed last year. That was like the first snowfall of the winter season. So and so I've already put on my lashes as well, and this is how I achieve my everyday very light beat makeup. Nothing too extravagant about it. I don't have any highlight or anything. It's really just very natural looking. And the last thing that I do is, you know, I gotta get my edges because they're a little fuzzy over here. Literally, like, this summer I started really like slicking down my edges because I like got braids, and then I kind of just like fell in love with like the slick edge look. And then I usually rock like middle parts, but ever since my stylist laid me that side part, it's like every time I go back to the middle part, I don't be feeling it as much as I feel it when I have like the side part. Alright guys, so this is how I achieve my very light, natural face beat that I do. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you do hit that like button, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed. Wishing you guys a safe and happy and blessed new year. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.